Hi, I am Sakshi Gupta. In this project, I create a Power BI dashboard to analyze product return for 3 years of sales data. The main goal was to measure the return rate, return value, employee contribution, and monthly trends. I also used year-over-year analysis to see how these metrics change compared to the previous year. First, I start calculating total transaction to find how many unique order were placed. Then I used total return, how many order were returned. From this, I created return rate percent. Then I calculated average return value to understand the value of each return. I also track monthly trends to see seasonal pattern. And finally, I calculate percent contribution of employees to total return and highlight the top 5 employees by return count. If return rate was 4% in 2014 and 5% in 2015, it saw a 1% increment. That means product quality or the service issue were getting worse. If the average return value increased compared to the last year, it indicated the higher value products were being returned and which directly affect revenue. I used a line chart with two lines, one for the current year and one for the last year. This clearly shows seasonal pattern. For example, return after the holiday season were constantly higher compared to the same month in the previous year. By comparing the contribution of the last year, we could see if a particular employee share of return was rising, that insight help management decide where training or support is needed. Ranking employee dynamically show who employee improved and who had more return compared to the previous year. Overall, the dashboard gave the management a clear picture of where returns were increased year over year, which employee needs support and which product category carry higher return risk. It helped the company take action to reduce return and improve probability. Thank you.